Come to elevators B. Here comes the B elevators at the Franklin Institute. Let's see which one will we get. EPCO call station. Ooh.
The new one.
Got this one. Dad, one please. Door close works. We like that.
Is your dad coming?
No. We're stopping at 2.
No, it's okay. Somebody's getting on. Yes.
Going down? Which floor? 1? 1. Oop. Swatch the indicator. Here. Now I'll get 3's the highest. 5, 4, 3. 5. Going up.
To 2.
2.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
3's the highest you could go.
Yep.
Here we go. We're stop. Here we are.
You would have had a good time in the John Hancock building out in Chicago. 102 stories?
Here we go. Here are 3. B, 4, and 5. You need your card. And here we are. Ring the bell. Watch it close up. There it goes, Ann.